All right, I've got a 2005 Toyota 4Runner. Now get this, 394,000 miles, almost 400,000 miles. This is going to be a cold start. Yep. Had some other fellas here wanting to jump in it and drive it. They didn't know I was sitting in it. Now this is an SR5 model. It's a base model. Doesn't have any options whatsoever. Just a standard SR5. It's got a little bit of deterioration in the dashboard, and it does have a crack over here in the windshield. But when I say this thing runs like brand new, this thing runs like new. 394,000 miles. This is insane. This thing runs so good. I'm going to turn this AC off and roll. Listen how quiet. Unbelievable. So quiet. Again, this is one of those two-wheel drive trucks I wish was four-wheel drive. I'm not interested in it as a two-wheel drive, but man, does it run and drive like a new car. Holy cow. This thing is nuts. Got a new set of hand clips on it. Now it's making a little bit of a rattling sound, but that's only at idle. And I think it sounds like something. Yeah, I mean the engine purrs. I don't know if that's an internal sound or not. It almost sounds like there's a metal like heat shield or something rattling. Or like it's coming from the AC compressor or something. Let's see. It's really just hard to say. Man, this thing is spotless. Interior, I mean, these seats are just like new. This is crazy. Headliner, seat backs. This is a phenomenal truck. Straight body. But it has a little rattle coming from underneath. I don't think it's engine knocking. It runs too good. I mean, what a straight truck. What a beautiful truck. God, if it was four-wheel drive, I would so be bidding on this thing. Even with 400,000 miles, this thing will probably bring 4 or 5 grand more. I wouldn't be shocked. As soon as you tap the gas, smooth. I mean, that rattle has to be like a heat shield, because when I put it in drive, it goes away. Nuts. Man, it's got power. Ooh. Very quick, very quick. Yeah, this would be a great truck for somebody. It's got just tons of life left in it. Not worn out at all. The suspension is tight. No clunking, no rattling. Just Just a tight truck. Runs good. Wow, almost 400,000 miles. 2005 Toyota 4Runner in phenomenal condition. This is just crazy, folks. Crazy. I love these because they have the automatic rear window. Those are so cool. So cool. Anyway, we will see you with the next one. Thanks. Peace.